going, babe? Petit pas, petit pou.
Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa, lipstick on a pear.
Whoa! Lipstick on a pear! Oh!
Oh yeah, that's excitement. Yeah! Whoa. Whoa. This is our attempt to vlog with a full camera. It's been...
Careful.
My arm is just heavy.
Where are we at? Why are we here? What are we doing?
Hey guys! Okay.
You're not crying.
Happy? I'm so excited!
Halloween Disney is the best time of year because you get to see so many cool things. For instance, the pumpkin trees are growing, and it's so cool to see how natural pumpkins grow on the vine. I wish I could pick one off and eat it right now.
Take your picture. Thank you. Oh my gosh. We just got in 30 minutes early to Disneyland. 30 minutes.
It's magic hour and we're not supposed to be here.
We are not supposed to be here and we are here. We gotta run. Okay, so Max Pass. Maxi Pad. We got a little motion sicky.
No. I've lied.
He's doing acupuncture points.
Pressure
points. We got no needles. Just chilling in Cars Land. So far so good with the vlogging. We vlogged about nothing. We saw a duck. It's been good. Cody got a little bit motion sick on the second ride. So we went to the first aid and got some Dramamine and now he's drowsy. So that is the ride that Cody and I fight on.
Bria's done this a lot more than me, and that's not an excuse. Bria also is better at like games and stuff because she plays more games. It's not an excuse. I get motion sickness. No, I don't. It's gonna be a fun contest.
Why do they have to make these so ugly?
Stay on still.
Please vote on who you think will win at Toy Story Mania. Is it Cody or me? It's me. Oh, Cody, I'm so sorry.
We're doing it again.
Why?
Because we need another.
Because you want to lose again.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah. Round 2 because he's a little sore sport. You got this, Code. I'm so sorry. It's so unfortunate. Oh my god. Cody thinks that we need to go on Toy Story Mania again.
It's best 2 out of 3, and we've only done 2, so we need to have 1 more.
But I won both times.
No, it's out of 3.
I won both times. Lucky for him, the ride's closed. Looks like I won, people. Hello?
Winnie.
Winnie? Winnie the Pooh? He's right there. You're straight up Mickey right now.
I'm Mickey.
Yeah.
I have him right here.
Yes.